The box came inside of a box. Hey my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys a luxury unboxing, and this video is going to be a little bit different because I'm going to be unboxing a Teddy Blake bag. And I've always wanted to unbox their bags because they have so many bags you can choose from. If you guys never heard of Teddy Blake is a website where they sell luxury bags but without the luxury cost. With Teddy Blake's bags, their bags are made of 100% real leather, and they're also made in Italy. And if you guys don't know, Italy is known to have a lot of luxury items. They always have the highest quality items. With Teddy Blake's bags being made in Italy, their bags are being made in the same factories as other luxury brands. So with them being made in the same factories as other high-end luxury brands, you know you're gonna have one of the best quality handbags. You're not going to spend $1,000, $2,000 or more on one luxury bag. You're only going to be spending under $1,000 for sure with Teddy Blake. You guys know every time I'm going to be pulling up with a coupon code for you guys. Teddy Blake is always having sales on their bags up to 60% off. To shop on Teddy Blake's website, make sure you guys use my link below. Use my coupon code that's on the screen, TBSymphony30, to get an extra $30 off. With all of that being said, let's get started unboxing this beautiful Teddy Blake bag. It came in this huge box. I was like, oh, this is like a real type of luxury brand. Like, they're not playing any games when they said they are a luxury brand. The box came inside of a box. So this is the box. It just says Teddy Blake, New York, because this brand is from New York, but their bags are made in Italy. Once you receive the bag, it does come wrapped like this with some bubble wrap and a plastic bag. On the inside of this box, it just says Teddy Blake, New York, designer handbags made in Italy with luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your everyday fashion choice. Their bags do come with their own dust bag, and I really love that because like any other luxury brand, all their bags come with a dust bag just in case if you do not want to keep the box. And this is the bag that I got. Oh my gosh, it's so cute and girly. You guys know I've been into pink heavy lately. This bag is the Ava Gold 11-inch in the color pink. This bag is so gorgeous. Like, look how gorgeous she is. They have so many different bags you can choose from with so many different styles, different prints, because I was gonna get this in like a alligator type of print, but I decided to get this bag in a soft pebbled calf skin leather. I forgot to mention this at the beginning of the video, but with Teddy Blake they do have free US shipping and exchanges. I'm gonna read their design description with this bag on the website. So it says, the new Ava by Teddy Blake signs a modern twist to an iconic chic design crafted by expert artists in Italy with grained calf leather. The style features a single round handle with a flap closure to reveal a soft suede interior and though compartmentalization, that was a long word, with a side of pockets included. The Ava bag can take you out from a ladies luncheon to an evening out without missing a beat when it comes to style and elegance. Like I said, all their bags are made in Italy. It has stampato leather with a soft pebble calf skin leather with white stitching with real suede interior and gold toned hardware. Now I'm going to show you guys all the details about this bag, but really quick I want to let you guys know that this bag actually reminds me of the Kelly Birkin bag. I'm going to insert a picture somewhere on the screen, but it kind of has like the same type of style to it, but not exactly look like it, you know, or try to copy the bag. But this is how the bag looks from the outside. I love the sides of this so much, and the back of it because it has an extra compartment. And this is how the front looks again. It does say Teddy Blake, New York imprinted, and it's imprinted on the bag as well. And off the top, I do want to let you guys know that this bag literally smells like leather, so you know you're getting an actual leathered bag. The bag does have feet on it, which I love when luxury bags have feet on their bags. I don't want to dirty the bottom of my bag, so having feet on it would really protect the bottom. It has Teddy Blake imprinted on the gold hardware. Same thing with this one. To open this bag, all you have to do is lift this part and lift this part, then lift it up right here because it does have a magnetic clasp right here. Then it'll just look like this inside. The bag does come with its own strap and a little locket on it. Then on the inside again, it just has stuffing so the bag will keep its shape. And oh my gosh, I didn't even realize the compartment style looks like this. Okay, so once you look inside the bag, it has a compartment right here and one right here with a zipper. The bag is really spacious, honestly. For some reason, like from outside the bag, it looks like it's not going to be that spacious, but when you look inside, there's like so much room. It does have that suede material like it says, and it's pink too, so everything about this bag is like pink on pink with gold. Right here as well, not the zipper part, but this part right here, it does say Teddy Blake, New York. Then when I unzip it, it's just black inside, which I'm kind of glad it's black, because if it's like suede everywhere, it's kind of like, I don't know, a little bit too much. But I do really love the pink on pink style in this bag. It's so spacious. I could fit my whole hand in here. With this pocket, it just has that suede material, but it's not that spacious as the zipper part. Now I'm just gonna close it up real quick so I can jump back to the outside of this bag. And honestly, like I would probably just wear this bag like this, because having it out like this gives it more of a look or style to it. But if you're trying to be more classy with it, then I would definitely close this up so it can look more cleaner. On the outside zipper, it is also black inside, and I can still fit my whole hand in here. There's so much space in this bag. I'm really happy that I got this bag in 11 inches, and I feel like I say this often in my videos, but just for size reference, I am 5 feet, so if I have a bag that's too big on me, I feel like I'm just dragging it. Well, depending on the bag and what type of look I'm going for, if I want an everyday type of bag, then this size will be perfect for me. This is how the strap looks. I believe you can adjust the size if you want to, or it's just the style of it. Actually, yeah, you can size it if you want to, because it has little slits right here and you can just make it long or short. But this is how the rest of the strap looks like this. All I'm gonna do is just clip it on the side like this, then do the same thing with the other side. Oh my gosh, I love how the strap looks with this bag. You can wear it like as a crossbody, but I don't think I'll do that with this bag, just because I'm not a crossbody type of girl. If the bag is small enough, maybe, but I don't know. I don't think I would do that with this bag. The last thing that comes with this bag is a locket and key. These are the two little keys that come with the locket. This is how the bag looks with the locket on. All I have to do is put the locket through this slit part right here, and it's just gonna hang just like this. I am so happy and so thankful that I got this exact bag. There was another bag that I wanted from Teddy Blake, but maybe in the near future I can get that one and review it for you guys. I love the details on this bag, and keep in mind, this bag is handcrafted by experts. So this bag isn't just made from anyone or made anywhere. Made in Italy, handcrafted by experts. So this is a true luxury bag. And the smell of this bag, without me having to open it, like, you just know that this bag is made of high quality, really good, amazing leather. This is not no cheap stuff right here, okay? This is not cheap. It's very affordable for a luxury bag, but this bag is not cheap whatsoever. You can get this bag in the exact same size, in the exact same style, in the colors orange, fuchsia, a lavender color, yellow, black, black on black, green. Is that green? I can't even tell. A dark gray, a light gray, tan color, a brownish color, another different type of brownish color, a dark blue or navy, a regular blue color, a light baby blue color, white, green, just so many different colors of this exact bag. Now I'm going to show you guys some model shots with this bag, just to be a little reference for you guys. And another reason why I love this bag is because the sides of it. Like, it looks very luxurious, looks very designer with the sides of it looking like this. With this part being optional as well, you could take it off or on. And I forgot to mention that This lock right here does have Teddy Blake imprinted on it. The stitching on it is perfect. Nothing is off about this bag. Like when they say this is handcrafted and made in Italy, they were not lying at all. Like look at the details of this bag. Yeah, that is all my final thoughts that I have with this bag. Just everything about this bag is super perfect. It's girly, it's cute. This is definitely one of my new favorite bags that I own now. Make sure you guys check out Teddy Blake's bags. I'll leave the link down below in my description box and in the comments down below. Do not forget to use my coupon code TBSymphony30 to get an extra $30 off your Teddy Blake bag. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let me know in the comments your thoughts and opinions about this video or this bag, or just anything in general. Just let me know in the comments. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to join the harmony, and of course click that bell button to receive notifications from me every time I upload. Okay, so I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.